Are you looking for how to fix WhatsApp no valid QR code detected problem? In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp no valid QR code detected problem. For solving this problem, go to Google Chrome and click on three dot menu. Then go to settings. Now click on privacy and security. Now click on clear browsing data. Click on clear browsing data. Now select on all times. Clear data. Wait until complete the process. Now go to search for WhatsApp web. Click on WhatsApp web. Now scan your QR code. First update to WhatsApp app. If available any update. Now open WhatsApp. Click on three dot menu. Click on link device. Click on link device. Now scan your QR code. Now I hope that this method fixed no valid QR code detected WhatsApp problem. Now you can see that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our site.